Hello everybody, thank you for being with us today. We are going to do a quick pose where the hands are crisscrossed. It's a very popular pose, so if you have your pencil set, we will start with some basic and very thin lines. And I just want a T shape. We're just doing the upper body. We do not need the lower body for this. So this is where the oval for the head is, the shoulders, as you have guessed, and then we come down. So you have to actually work with just a set of lines here like that. If you can get that X shape going first, and then put in an oval there and a smaller oval here. There's a reason why this is smaller. Actually, this could be exchanged, but there's a reason why we're doing it this way. So if you have that all set, we will put down our form quickly. So that was the outside of the body, but now here, since this arm is shown to come on top, we are going to go with this forearm first, the elbow, and take that back, and then we will draw a portion of that hand, because this is going inside this hand. You're going to do that, and imagine that that's coming right through, and there is the other hand showing like that, and that hand completes the exercise. The chest is of course right here, and you could show that head in one of many poses. So this is one way of doing. This is a basic crisscross. So you could also have this up, where the hands are more up and more muscular or more strength, if in a pose in which we want to reflect strength, or like superhero like, it's when they place the arms a little higher and it's like a proud stance. But this is a basic crisscross, and I think it's a fairly easy exercise. If we were to put in some shading, so it would come, let's say that the light source is from here, and this is not exactly essential exercise, but we will just put this in regardless. So nose, mouth, and there will be a shadow cast right there, since, as I had said, I had mentioned that the light source is coming from this side in this case, or you could have it coming from any side, but you could see that wherever the muscle tone is wrapping up, there will be a shadow that will be cast, and where you will be putting in the pencils or the inks. And there we have it. And of course under the arms, there will be more intense shadow, depending on, again, how stark, how intense the light source is. So there we have it, a quick exercise and doing a crisscross form, a basic crisscross. And of course you can Google some images and try different angles. We will be doing other ones, but this is the basic one for today. Thank you very much for being with us. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.